does not come standard on most computers. You're either going to have to purchase it, use a computer on campus that has it installed, or use the free version that's available to you through FIU Elabs. So what FIU Elabs are is they're a FIU computer server that will run a number of programs for you that you do not have. So to find it, you can either Google FIU Elab or follow the link provided to this page. Once you get to this page, you'll see a number of FIU related portals. The one we're looking for is the Elab portal, which is the top one, and we'll click on that. That's going to bring us into the actual Elab section itself. It's going to come up. You're basically going to have a desktop. What you're doing here is you're accessing all of this remotely. Everything we're about to do is being run on a computer elsewhere, not on my computer, and I'm just basically tapping into that via the internet. So here I have SPSS. If you don't have SPSS, you need to come and add it over here where it says All Apps and add SPSS. It doesn't matter which one. For the analyses we're doing, just consider them identical. So let's go ahead and open SPSS. So it works just like another normal computer. We double click on it and it's going to open. It's going to take a little longer because, as I said, we're running this on a computer elsewhere. So once we have it open, we'll go ahead and close this file, that little box, and now we have our output and our data file. So this is just a blank data file, and what we want is we want the data for our paper. So I'm going to have to go to File, Open, Data. Like I said, it takes a little while. Now, here is where you can make your first mistake. It says we're looking in documents. However, there's nothing there. And the reason there's nothing there is because we're not looking under the documents that I have on my computer. Where we're actually looking is the documents under the local computer where this is actually taking place on the server somewhere else. So anytime you want to pull anything off your computer or you want to save anything to your computer, you have to come in here and select local disk, either C or D, because I have two disk drives on my computer, but this will be called local disk C on whatever your computer's name. Let me see if I can find my save file. Now, you're going to go to wherever you saved it. I saved mine on the desktop, so it's going to take a few minutes to get us there. Please bear with me. And like I said, you're running it on a server, so things are going to go much slower. So, like I said, I saved it on my desktop, I navigated there, and now I have my saves. Once you have your save, click it, and then select Open. And you'll see it's starting to figure itself out, and now I have the data set that has all the lovely data that all you students collected, and I can now work with for paper 2. Now, however, I've done a bunch of analyses and I need to save this. This is very important. Please listen. You will lose all your work if you do not do this properly. When you go to save it, you need to click File, Save As. And you need to make sure that you're not saving it, that you're saving it under one of your local disks. So I'll just save it under my local disk C and create a quick folder. You don't have to do it. You can say wherever you want. Now I have that saved. As you can see. So that's the tutorial. It's very straightforward. Just don't assume that everything's going to work the way it works on your computer when using this. Just be vigilant with how you approach Elabs, because it is going to be a little laggier, but it is free. Thank you.